Take him, boys. Take him! Take it, boys. It's freezing.
21 degrees.
And it's actually cold. I didn't even wear a long sleeve shirt. Ooh! We got that big set today, dude.
Mega?
15 people out here. Wait, no, we got 16 people out here. I think I'm just gonna start them right there. Oh, we got that good high. Let me grab my trimmer. I'll trim us up a spot and get back in there a little bit.
Shink!
Not gonna be able to blame the high today.
No.
Rookie move, Ryder, rookie move. And it was my move.
Come on!
Yeah, I know. I don't want to hear it. Soft on top. Goose stuff.
Goose stuff.
Oh
no!
Oh, goose stuff. That's a freshie.
It is. Newborn.
They're feeding today. Putting in feeders up tight. You wanna go potty? Big stretch? Come on. You ready to shoot? Oh, y'all better thank your guide for getting you down in this little hole out of the wind, keeping you warm. Man, I'm always thinking about you guys. Oh, you were? I like to keep my clients comfy and shooting straight and, you know, knocking birds down. So that was a safety thing I was going to say today. Please don't shoot your gun with gloves on, like thick gloves. We've already had a gun go off in the layout blind from a guy trying to shoot with gloves on. So slip your glove off whenever birds are coming. Tuck it on your arm or whatever, keep it warm, and then you can shoot with one glove or something. But birds should come in right to left a little bit, center up out there.
Right to left?
Right to left this way. We got a little bit of a quartering northeast wind, or yeah, northeast wind. I was almost turned around there for a sec. Yeah, it's kind of like this. So.
You scouted this yesterday?
Yes, sir. Shelby scouted it yesterday morning. There was probably 5,000 in here. There was probably 3,500 in it last night. There was another outfitter kid, I didn't get mad at him, but a kid sat next to our field with his truck, bounced about 1,000 to one of our other fields, but I'm sure they'll come back here. I had to drive up to him like, I'd prefer you not sit right here. You see all these birds that are jumping out of this field and going somewhere else? He's like, oh, I'm sorry. Like, gosh dang it. It's not like it's the first day anymore. Well, the season's been open here a month now.
Shout out.
Shout out. That's bar. Yeah. Oh yeah, they're coming. Oh, they're coming. I'm just gonna be quiet for the first volley, see what happens. Take him, guys! Get him. Take him, guys! Get him. Back. Oh, another one. Here. Heel. Back. Hunter, or I'll get it. Heel. Heel. Back. Heel. Heel. Hey. Hey. Back. Back. Come on. Come on. That was pretty nasty retrieve. Oh, what a first flock, eh? Hey, bud. I'm about to get real Canadian out here. Come on, girl. Heck yeah, we got 6. Dude, this one's got an eyebrow on it. Oh, hey, girl. Thank you. That was a good retrieve. Give me some love. Give me some love. Hey, no. Bella, come here. Where's your good girl? You got blood on your face, dadgummit. We can't put you on YouTube, Kendall. That was nasty. Oh! They might shortstop us out there. Look at that big one, dude. He's out front low. He's screwing the whole thing. Yeah. Look Kennel. Take him, guys. Take him, guys. Back. Hell yeah, they came back. Fetch it up. Hey, let her get these. Heel. Heel. She likes the aggressive ones. Heel. Heel. Oh. Hey. Back. Heel. We got the big one. We got the big boy. He led them to their death. He almost led them to their survival, but he led them to their death. Kennel. All right, let's do it again. Oh, heck yeah. First 2 good flocks. You'll hit that thumbs up button. We got Ryder on the left. We got Hunter on the right. Hunter's new here at Goose Reapers. This is his first hunt with me. We got 2 flocks down. Here we go. They're spinning. Yeah, they do. Sit. Spinning out front. Take him, guys. Take him, guys. All right. Easy. Nice shot. Hunter helped me pick up. Back. Dog's out. Y'all reload. Keep your guns up. That was nasty. Oh, back. Ooh. Here. Back. Oh, come here. Get those far ones, girl. Good girl. Good girlie. Heel. Don't drop it. Back. They got icicles on them. How far? Oh, okay. Heel. Oh, heel. Hey, heel. Right here. Back. Catch it! Catch it! Oh. Oh. Ha ha! Sick. Oh, good girl. That's a good girl. How many did you pick up?
3.
20, 24. Wow, that was a big rain out, boys. Good job. Good girl. Good girly. Good girl. All right, we got more coming. Good job. Good shooting, guys. That was awesome. That was a good rain out. That was sick, dude. When they're above you landing, it looks nasty. Did you? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, that was sweet. I wasn't sure if they were coming back, and then they did. I was like, I thought we had 7 or 8 in the decoys. They should get a few more to come back. Oh, sick, boys, sick. Nice. I just need to set up to the right. Ooh. There's a big wad coming. I'm gonna let these probably do their thing. Come on, baby. The other ones are joining. Oh, shoot! Get on in here. Get loud. Specs. Oh, Specs might screw us. Yeah, y'all gotta stop talking, guys. Did they land? All right, here we go. Come on. Gotta get 4 more. Big spin. Big spin. It's gonna be a 40 big right now. Oh. Take them, boys. Take them! Take them, boys. Take them! Oh my baby.
Oh my gosh.
Back.
Killing. Yeah.
Nice shot.
Headshot.
Knock the decoy over. Heel. Back. Here. Heel. Back. Heel. Back. Heel. Good girlie. Oh, yeah. Fetch it up. Hey, fetch it up. Oh, here. Heel. Bella. Heel. Hey. Back. Good girl. Fetch it up. Heel. Oh, patience. That was tough to be patient there. Four. Bella, here. 5. We got 40 down. 40, 41. Give me some of them knuckles. You got the hand warmers, boy?
Yeah, dude, it's cold.
Kendall, good girlie. Good girlie. There's a good girl. More coming. More coming. More coming. Weepy-doo-pew. Whippity. Whew. Oh yeah, that's why I called it. All right, let's get it again. Get them again. Yeah, they're really finicky on they're really not sure, and then they finally just do it. But get real low, guys. That sun's coming up. Let's get hidden. Fresh flock on the right here. Out front. We've got one walking out there. Y'all lean up and shoot this single in the decoys here. See him out there? Get him. Nice shot. Bella. Yeah. We see them landing over there. Here. Thank you. Kennel. Take it, boys. Take it, boys. Gonna let them two out, boys? What the heck? Back. Dang, right side. I'm gonna have to give it to the left side on that one. What'd y'all get, 3? Dang. Y'all shooting double BBs or what? Back, back, back.
Dale hadn't killed today.
Shit.
10-pack group.
Yeah. Here. Get down, guys. Get down. Here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get in your kennel. Get in your kennel. Yeah, that was nasty. Back. Here. Good doggy. Good doggy. Good doggy. Good doggy. Hey, you took a hand signal from the layout blind. That's good of you, Kendall. Good girl. Heck yeah. Well, we got a lot behind us, so if they come back from behind us, those are the ones that are decoying good. We get more of those, we're gonna be in good shape. We got about 50 down. We got 15 blinds. Oh, we got, yeah, 15 blinds in a dog kennel and 12 dozen in here. 12 dozen full blinds. 12-foot trailer. I didn't bring it for all this, right? It's supposed to be like 10 dozen and 10 blinds. She's maxed out, yeah. She's full to the brim. That's a fetch some more. You got a bunch over there still.
Oh! Mid-air.
She's trying to mid-air geese now. Should have thrown that tennis ball that much. But they're not nice. The big lesser, big lesser. Yeah. Alright. Load up. Yeah. We're back. We're guiding again. All cleaned up. That was a fun one. I just end it right here. I'm greasy. Hadn't showered in 14 days. No, just kidding. I don't think I showered yesterday though. I'm like 2 days on the I'm guide season, morning, dude. It slapped me in the face. We're back. A little shot about half our limit. Our birds end up racking on us, and then yeah, that was that. We got some good decoying birds. Good wind, good hide. We just needed more to come to us, and it would have been nasty over and over and over again, I think. But hope you enjoyed it. Ryder, what do you think?
That was sick.
Sick?
Best backdrop of the season.
Ew. Oh yeah, we got mountains in the Oklahoma mountains.
Calling
We'll just title it Oklahoma Mountain Hunt. Subscribe, like, check all the description below for anything you see in these videos that you might want to purchase with discount codes below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new here. Appreciate it.